Hi, my name is Steve Powell. I'm the General Manager of the Security Division for Barracuda Networks. Every day, we're reading in the news about the continual barrage of new security vulnerabilities, exploits, and threat classes. Terms like spam, phishing, SQL injection, cross-site scripting, and distributed denial of service are hitting us all the time. And organizations who are being attacked are not only in the news, but face harm to their brands, their customer retention, and increased scrutiny on their businesses from regulators and other business partners. And if large enterprises with large security budgets are facing these issues, what is a typical business supposed to do? This is the dilemma Barracuda Networks aims to solve with a solution called Total Threat Protection. Total Threat Protection provides a proactive framework to protect your business on all internet threat vectors: your email, your website, your remote access, your users browsing the web from inside your network, your mobile internet users, and your network perimeter itself. On each internet threat vector, Barracuda provides an award-winning, best-of-breed solution specifically targeted to prevent these latest threats. Moreover, as organizations have changed their technology deployments to include virtualization, public cloud, and software as a service, their attack surfaces have changed. Barracuda provides additions of its product portfolio to allow you to move and scale your security along with the back-end resources you aim to protect. For organizations who are looking to consolidate infrastructure, we also offer the Barracuda Security Suite, which provides a jumpstart to total threat protection by protecting the network perimeter, email and web browsing vectors with full-featured virtual appliances in one consolidated hardware platform. You can add further protection as desired. From one interface, you can see protection on all threat vectors and all of the attack surfaces. Barracuda Cloud Control provides a single pane of glass to manage your Barracuda solutions. Our customers can provide one comprehensive solution from one vendor and have one point of contact through our award-winning technical support. And our aim is to make all of this affordable for typical businesses. Total Threat Protection by Barracuda. Please get in touch for more information.